Everyone is talking about it, but nobody knows what they are talking about. An independent poll conducted by a Gallup, 63% of consumers are not influenced by social media regarding their buying choices, and only 5% claim social media has a significant impact on their buying decisions. 61% of small business owners could not document or prove any direct return on their investments in social media activity. I see enormous waste of time and money by people creating small and unscalable traffic, but also, in some cases, huge traffic to YouTube videos, Facebook sites, etc., with little monetary results. Small companies to copycat a Facebook strategy using a big name company as the shining example to emulate, and despite there being no evidence of any kind of profit derived from this grandiose exercise. We are all in money business. Not, not the likes, friends, views, tweets, retweets, and viral video businesses. Most fail miserably at the money business. Only 1% get rich and only another 4% achieve significant financial independence from owning and operating businesses of their own. 95% come up way short. One reason for all this failure is false optimism versus accurate thinking. 61% of small business owners could not document or prove any direct return on their investments in social media activity. You have to be very careful. Again, the advice: be careful to model and emulate businesses with much in common with your own. Consumers are most likely to share article, but only 9% of person-to-person recipients click on the shared links regarding these topics. The internet is not as special as most people think, and media is not marketing. The same disciplined business and marketing practices must be kept in place to derive real results. Very few will do this, so very few will ever see results through social media marketing or any marketing for that matter. Much thought or strategy need to be put in place in order to launch messaging or paid ads. So be smart and learn.